Is your website? Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in a website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Right, I'm going to show it to you now. There. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery link here and also your contact details in this link, or maybe any other info that you might want to add, especially your services, with this link there. Or maybe about the company that you have, company info, you can add it here. Yeah, now if this website would be good for your, do me a favor and hit a reply and, let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working with Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Thank you.